Have you ever looked at your bank statement and seen a charge from Rocket Money that you don't recognize? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to answer the question, why do I have a charge on Rocket Money? I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know why you have a charge on Rocket Money, but I do know that I've had a lot of questions about it myself, and I've done some research to try to figure it out. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you save money by finding and canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating bills, and tracking your spending. It's a great app, but it can be confusing to understand all of the charges that you might see on your bank statement. There are a few different reasons why you might have a charge on Rocket Money. Subscription fee. Rocket Money offers a premium subscription that costs $1 per month. If you're not a premium subscriber, you won't see any charges from Rocket Money. Subscription cancellation fee. If you cancel your Rocket Money subscription, you may be charged a cancellation fee. This fee is typically $1. Refund. If you cancel a subscription or negotiate a bill through Rocket Money, you may receive a refund. This refund will show up as a credit on your bank statement. Error. In some cases, Rocket Money may accidentally charge you for something that you didn't authorize. If you're not sure why you have a charge on Rocket Money, here are a few things you can do. Check your Rocket Money account. Log into your Rocket Money account and review your subscription history and recent activity. This may help you identify the source of the charge. Contact Rocket Money support. If you're still unable to figure out why you have a charge, you can contact Rocket Money support. They can help you investigate the issue and resolve it. I hope this video has helped you understand why you might have a charge on Rocket Money. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. If you're not already using Rocket Money, I encourage you to give it a try. It's a great app that can help you save money on your monthly expenses. Thanks for watching. If you're concerned about unauthorized charges, you can enable two-factor authentication on your Rocket Money account. You can also set up alerts for new charges so that you're notified immediately if something suspicious happens. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.